Hi, welcome back to Cello Gamer. Today we'll be unboxing Sonic Generations for the PS3 Greatest Hits Red Box version and Sonic X Shadow Generations for the Nintendo Switch. Sonic Generations for the PS3 was released on November 1st, 2011, and Sonic X Shadow Generations for the Nintendo Switch was released October 22nd, 2024, 13 years apart. Let's open up first Sonic X Shadow Generations for the Nintendo Switch. I know they just released Sonic Shadow Generations for Nintendo Switch 2, but no way am I buying a cartridge without any game on it. A game key card, that's what we call it. So, complete ripoff. Okay. Here's the front. And here's the back. Okay. Alright, take a look inside. Here's what's inside. I can really see the code. And here's the booklet. Here's how it looks inside. Pretty neat cover art. Here's the game cartridge. Okay. Now let's get to the PS3 version. Here's the PS3 version from the front and from the back. Okay, let's open this up. Remember when they had 3D TVs? That went away pretty darn fast. Here's what's inside. Just a closer look to the disc. Okay. Well, thank you for coming back to Cello Gamer. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.